Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is very rare because it's like kind of it's 11:37 right now. Yeah, so it's 11:37 right now, and I am talking to you guys because tomorrow is my sister's birthday, which is 7th of December. I don't know when you'll be seeing this vlog, but let me just give you a brief something.
There is nothing going to happen on that birthday. I'm sorry.
But it's not going to be like a grand birthday, but we usually like it low-key, and my sister loves a lot of pampered sessions. She loves being alone. I mean, she loves partying.
But what to do when you don't have friends?
No, I mean seriously, I'm her best friend, and we are gonna spend some time together tomorrow and have fun, and that's what yeah, I'm going to surprise her at 1. I won't surprise, it's her birthday, obviously she'll be awake, but I'm just going to wish her at 12. She has like taken my phone, and like I don't know what is she trying to do. I'm like so jobless. She woke me up at 11:30 and I'm like sitting idle, and she is busy doing something, and this is what my birthday is all about. Don't why are you doing this? Bro, it's like your birthday and you don't, nobody's going to see you. Huh? Oh my, so OOTD.
So, like, are you waiting for something that I've done for you?
I'll show how excited I am right now. Okay? By some like a 10-second drama. Okay. This is how excited I am for my birthday. It's 12. Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Okay, go. So this is how I go to get my wishes. It's like no one comes and wishes me. So that little something is now live. I mean, there's nothing in it, but every time I look at it, I just smile. So hopefully it's the same for my sister. Okay, I'll fake smile. Okay, she's here. You can now take your phone and like check anything you want to.
She bro, what the hell? No, you can go to this इधर. ये check करो इधर से.
Done.
Are you mad? What did
How
you
was it?
put, bro? What the fuck?
I was like, where do I find all this?
Thank you for existing.
Eee.
This is only one time thing. I will never kiss you again.
She kissed me. She never does this. Believe me, she never does this. So, it's my sister's birthday right today. So, I am, like I said, she really loves pamper sessions and everything. So, I am going to try out this package that a brand had sent me. Indus Valley, they had sent me their deep conditioning. What do I call it? A deep conditioning hair pack set. It had many ingredients. I'll put it right here on the screen. So basically, I had tried this on my hair. I'll put a clip if you want. Like I'll just find if I have the clips. I'll put it right here. I tried this brand on my hair and it did not work well for my hair because I already had damaged hair, and later I got my smoothing done, and I promised the brand a video, so I am going to try it on my hair because considering every hair type is different, and what might work for my hair might not work for yours and vice versa. So I'll try it on my sister's hair now, and it'll also be like a pamper session.
Because I haven't gotten any gift for her.
I'll just try it on her hair, and I'll add a before clip here, her hair before putting the pack and washing it off, and later also. Let's see how it turns out here. So apply the mask on her hair. Let's see how the results turn out. You have to keep it for approx 20-30 minutes and then wash it off.
So we middle class Indian people basically, we keep it for a little longer time.
And see how the results turn out. I am excited actually to see how it worked on her hair. So let's see. So now she's back, she's taken a bath and her hair is like all dried up. You have to listen about the review of the hair conditioning kit from her itself. So how was it? How was the experience?
I have like mixed experiences. Matlab, like it was nice. It was not bad. It was like all natural and all those things. But it was like really oily a bit. Matlab, I had to go for double shampooing.
And she said me she had to wash her hair like a lot of times because of the oil, but I think it's because it's
they're
natural
using three types of oils in that, and even like the hair spa lotion is like a bit oily of there, but it's fine. I guess it has given me kind of like waves in this part of my hair.
She regrets about one thing, it's because it's her birthday today and her hair is like kind of wavy and shit.
Like over here, I don't like the waves which it has given, but I feel all in all it like looks like quite natural. Matlab, I have not lost like lots of hair and all. Like there are like some spa treatment if you do we lose like a lot of hair and all, but I didn't lose anything like that. Apart from the oily part and giving me waves, I think it has worked fine.
What about the texture, like the knots and everything?
There was like not too many knots because it was like all oily and all those things, so it was not like too naughty. Like back then, if I used to wash my hair with all these products and all, it used to be a bit naughty. I had to use like different serums and all to remove the knots. But right now, I feel it's manageable. Like it's not bad. I think I can give like a decent pass apart from this and the oily thing.
How much would you rate it?
And one more thing also, because we are mixing that Shikakai powder and because I left it like, I don't know, they told it 20-30 minutes. I left it like for more than an hour, so it started sticking from my hair.
When I tried it also, like I left it for like only 30 minutes like as they suggested, but the powder is usually hard to take off from your hair, so you really need to scrub a lot so that all the powder falls off, but it kind of leaves some residue in your hair,
Because of which I had to remove my nail paint because it started chipping because of all this scrubbing and all these things. But I think it's fine. How does it look like? What do you tell? Like from far, what
like the downer part is fine, okay, like it looks like the hair like she had before her hair wash, but here it's kind of like extremely wavy. Believe me, it's like
because
it looks dried and wavy, but
I don't like any waves over here.
so now we have to straighten and like put all serum in our hair so that we are going for a birthday shoot, like that birthday outfit we are going to shoot and everything.
There is
so
nothing called as birthday outfit.
it is random, no talk. So it's like we are going to like click her pictures and everything. So she's really particular about her hair, so we need a little like care over here. So I guess I would rate it 6.5 on 10.
I think even I would give like 6.5 or like max to max 7. Matlab, yeah, it has worked fine for me.
It did not work.
Yeah, for you, it really didn't work.
Maybe
I
like, oh
think
God.
it
matters
matters
on
on
hair to
texture
hair.
and all these things. So yeah, someone who has like hair like me can try it out. I guess it's your fault. I really like the aloe vera gel oil as well because it didn't smell artificial.
Yeah,
It smells really nice. And yeah, it is really good. Like I use it daily. She uses it daily.
background. Proper Indian.
So I think the background episode is more. Some matches are made in heaven more.
ಆಗಲ್ಲ ತಣ್ಣ ಅಲ್ಲ ತಂಡಿ ತಸ್ ಬಾಯಿಗೆ